I wanted to ask then, from all this study you've done, do you have favorite Jewish music that you feel that the world needs to hear?
That the world needs to hear. Well, always the Yiddish folk song, to me is like this.
Sung by the field recording or a singer or any
Just in general, in the revival. I mean, people do sing songs, but I don't think the general world knows the Yiddish song. They've come to understand the tradition through what they call klezmer, which is this bunch of stuff that was played only at certain times in the month of the year in these Jewish communities, whereas they sang every day. Okay, and so to me, the song is in a sense paramount, and the instrumental music is a special, colorful branch related to cantorial music and to the Hasidic nigun and these other expressive forms of culture. But the actual sung poetics, to me, is just underknown or undervalued in a kind of way.